Hello everyone, I'm Kai and welcome back to the Mindful Crypto Life. A quick snapshot. Bitcoin is sitting around 95,119. Total crypto market cap is around $3.23 trillion. Fear and Greed Index is at 49, which is neutral, up from 29 fear last week and 16 extreme fear last month. This week has real action. World Economic Forum in Davos runs from 19 January to 23, with a lot of Web3 side events. Miami has BattleFin Discovery Day from 21 January to 23, and Real Vision Crypto Gathering starts on January 22. Any signals or buzz from these events could move sentiment in this quiet range. Today, I'm giving you the full week ahead breakdown from January 19 to 23. If you're trading this chop or watching these events, hit the like button now and let's go. A quick reminder before we start. This video serves for educational purposes only and not a financial advice. Crypto is very volatile and high risk, so always do your own research, manage your risk, and only invest money that you can afford to lose. Now here's where we stand after January 18 close. Total market cap is 3.23 trillion. That's up 0.35% in 24 hours. Trading volume is between $62 to $69 billion. It's low volatility and very cautious mood. Bitcoin at 95,119. That's 0.21% in 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is 58.9%. Support is around 92K to 93K range. This is usually where the whales buy. Resistance is around 96,200K. This is like a psychological wall. The RSI is neutral at 53. Ethereum is at 3,325. That's up 0.72% in 24 hours. It's holding strong above 3,300. Now, a quick look at alts. Solana is between $142 to $143. That's around 1% range. XRP at $2.06. BNB is $948. Now, here's my mindful take. We're seeing a quiet accumulation in a low-volume environment. This kind of setup often builds tension before the bigger move, especially with the events lined up this week. This week actually has meaningful catalysts. World Economic Forum annual meeting in Davos from 19 January to 23. The main theme is Spirit of Dialogue. Here are some side events that's relevant to crypto as well. GBBC, Blockchain Central Davos. This happens between January 19 to 21. It's about CBDCs, AI, and blockchain. Then you have Web3 Hub Davos. It's about decentralized tech and policies. Ripple, Hedera, and others are doing panels on real-world adoption and regulations. Why it matters. Any positive policy or institutional adoption hint can boost risk on mood quickly. BattleFin Discovery Day in Miami from January 21 to 23 at Eden Rock, Miami Beach. It focuses on alternative data, AI insights, and crypto signals for funds. Here you will have vendor showcases, matchmaking, and alpha tools. This could all feed into short-term trading ideas if new tools and data trends emerges. Real Vision Crypto Gathering, which starts on 22nd January and takes place in Los Miami Beach. This event is curated for around 500 top traders, investors, and founders. There's no panels for this one. You've got situation rooms, private dinners, and a lot of high-signal talks. Pre-event buzz, including announcements and side events, might start this week. On a longer-term note, Wall Street Bets Live from the WAGMI team happens between 28 January to the 30th of January. This is a big DGen traders event coming up, but this week the focus is on Davos and the Miami events. A mindful take? None of these are guaranteed pumps. But in consolidation, fresh macros or policy signals or insider networking can be the nudge that breaks the range. For the supply update in January, mid-month was quite heavy. Ondo had around 736 million cliff in January 18. That's around 57% circulating. Between January 19 to 23 window, there's no major cliff unlocks, mostly smaller linear vestings or ongoing releases. Possible lingering pressure early week. from January 18 on though if sold. On low volume chops like right now, supply impact is often muted if demand absorbs them. My tip here is to watch exchange inflows for any selling signs. But here's the bottom line. Supply pressure is easing compared to mid-January. Here's the week ahead outlook for January 19 to 23. The bull case first. Break above 96,000 to 97,000 and then test 100k. Here are the possible triggers. Positive Davos signals, Miami buzz, and ETF flows. And the bear chop case, rejection at resistance and unlock selling. Then you're back to 90,000 to 93k range. Market cap holds around $3.2 trillion. It keeps a neutral positive basis. The sentiment, 49 at neutral. There's room to move up or down based on events. Longer term 2026 view. It's still constructive, but adoption keeps growing. Halving effects are still in play, and many still targets 150k to 250k on Bitcoin. Short term likely stays range bound until a real trigger happens. If you're trading this setup or watching these events, Phemex is my platform of choice. They got low fees, deep liquidity, professional tools, and solid execution. I've added down a link to a limited time campaign for you to join if you want to. And again, a disclaimer, if you use my link, it helps support me to create these videos. So that's your full week ahead. Do you think Davos and Miami events this week could be the spark that we've all been waiting for? Let me know down in the comment section below. Again, this is Sky. I hope you all had a great weekend and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!